Till then, I'm hustling, till I'm number one, no discussion. You thought you was, but you wasn't. You hit on me cause I'm buzzing. That's your auntie and cousin.
Hey, what is up guys? Back again with another video. And so today we have 3 packages to open up from Fall Winter 18 Week 5. If you guys didn't see the Week 5 live cop that I did, it'll be somewhere on the screen or linked down below or somewhere. You can just go on my channel. But I was able to pick up 3 items, one for the personal, and I'm kind of excited. Obviously, before we get into this video guys, make sure you guys comment, rate, subscribe. Numbers have really been going up lately, so thank you guys for the support. Let's try and get 20 likes on this video. And other than that, let's get ready. Alright, so let's go ahead, open up the box first. I do know what this is going to be, obviously, because I bought it. But I don't know which package is which for the other 2. Oops. The struggle is real. Dun 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 dun. Supreme! See if there's any stickers in here. Oh, we got a sticker pack. Yes, okay. I was really hoping I got a sticker pack, at least one within the 3 packages. But right here we have the Liquid Swords one. So we got one red BOGO, we got Liquid Swords sticker, and I forget what this is called. I think it's the faces, but I'm not sure. So I am excited about this one. The Liquid Swords sticker is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. And then these tiny things. So right here we got these Supreme bike lights. I don't know if I'm going to keep these yet. I'm kind of debating as if I should or not. I know in the live cop video I said they were for resale, but I don't know. I like little accessories, and this is something that I haven't had before, obviously. Like, when I saw a picture after I purchased, I was like, geez, these things are small. There you go, the black Supreme, what is this? Lucetta magnetic bike lights. Dang it. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so I think this is going to be my personal cop. So let's see if we got any sticker packs or anything. Oh, okay. So we did get another Liquid Sword sticker pack. I hope in the other package we get the other one. I think there's 2 sticker packs. But that's pretty nice. There's another one right there. And then my personal cop. Ooh, this is so much cleaner in person. Alright, so this right here is the Supreme Systems Tee, but this thing is really clean. The artist actually commented on my video for the Week 5 tees, like the Fall Winter 18 tees. But the artist actually commented on my video, and I talked to him on Instagram too. So that's really cool. But I'm definitely keeping this one for the personal. I mean, that goes pretty well. It's black, white, and red, so can't get any better than that. Honestly though, can't wait to wear this shirt. I really like it. Now, moving on to the final one right here. Hopefully we get a different sticker pack. Let's go ahead and open it. Dun, 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 dun. Supreme! Alright, so right here, as you guys can kind of tell already, it is an orange. Oh, we did get the other sticker pack. I think there was 3 sticker packs actually, because there was a group tee sticker pack. But this one right here is the phone booth sticker pack. Ooh, that is so nice. Alright, so we got the phone booth sticker, the external sticker, which I did want the t-shirt of, but I haven't gotten it yet. I probably will buy it pretty soon because I do really like it. And the sticker is metallic for the external tee. Alright, so then we got the group tee in the bright orange colorway. As you guys can see, this thing is really colorful. I love the design. I really like the shirt overall. I really like the color too. I wasn't sure if I should get a shirt for a personal cop in this color, but it does seem to be pretty nice. Got it in a medium as well. So this is for sale. I'm either gonna have it on my Instagram, or if you guys are interested, you can just hit me up on my Instagram. Alright, so these right here are our pickups for Week 5. We got 2 t-shirts, an accessory, and 3 sticker packs, which I am a little surprised about. I was assuming that we were only gonna get 1 or 2 sticker packs. There have been weeks where I've gotten 1 sticker pack for 7 orders, and that's kind of a little bit ridiculous. But we got 3 sticker packs this week, so I'm really excited. Can't wait to put these into the board back there. I don't think you guys can see it, but I have a board where I put all the stickers. And eventually I will do a sticker collection. If you guys want that, I will do a sticker collection. I have a good amount, and obviously I'm getting more. But other than that, guys, let me know what you guys copped Week 5 of spring. Other than that, guys, let me know down below if you guys copped anything from Week 5, or if you wanted to, or whatever. And also let me know what you guys thought of this video. But other than that, guys, I will see you guys next time with a new video. Bye.
I done been through dark times. Always find a flashlight. I'm just tryna reach the top till I know what that's like.